The trial surrounding former President Donald Trump's alleged hush money payments is reaching its conclusion. The defense and prosecution have presented their closing arguments, and the jury will soon deliberate on the outcome. This case revolves around claims that Trump falsified business records to hide a $130,000 payment to adult entertainer Stormy Daniels before the 2016 election. Trump flatly denies these allegations, as well as the claimed affair with Daniels. Defense attorney Todd Blanche labeled Michael Cohen, Trump's ex-fixer and key witness, the MVP of liars and the greatest liar of all time. Blanche attempted to discredit Cohen's testimony, suggesting the jury should harbor reasonable doubt regarding his claims. However, prosecutor Joshua Steinglass systematically pieced together evidence, asserting that suppressing Daniels' story might have swayed the 2016 election in Trump's favor. The prosecution's tactic has been to depict the hush money payment as part of a wider strategy to manipulate the voters. Steinglass presented testimonies from Cohen and David Pecker, former publisher of the National Enquirer, referencing a pact aimed at burying negative stories about Trump. The jury heard how the National Enquirer allegedly functioned as a covert arm of Trump's campaign, quashing stories that could harm his image, such as claims by Playboy model Karen McDougal. Another significant point presented was the aftermath of the Access Hollywood tape, where Trump is heard boasting about groping women. This reportedly led to a panic within Trump's campaign, prompting Cohen to ensure that Daniels signed a non-disclosure agreement just days before the election. The jury faces several potential outcomes. They could find Trump guilty of falsifying records, acquit him of all charges, or even become a hung jury if unanimity isn't reached. For a guilty verdict, all 12 jurors must agree Trump falsified records with the intent to defraud and subvert the election process. Interestingly, the jury cannot convict Trump on mere misdemeanor charges because his defense did not request for it. Hence, any conviction would have to be on felony charges. The threat of a hung jury looms large, especially if just one juror remains unconvinced. The public and media keenly await the jury's decision. This trial highlights the deep entanglement of politics, media manipulation, and legal battles surrounding a high-profile figure. The implications on future elections and campaign strategies could be profound, depending on the case's final outcome.